Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is specifically designed to work with a form, but it may really be in any Tàijíquán form, probably forms outside of the CIMA world, but my expertise is here, so I'll leave it there with Tàijíquán or maybe even SEMA. And the idea is to consider the particular order that the moves come to us, right? Down through the tradition, down through the lineages. You know, B follows A, D follows C, F follows E, G follows F, and so forth. But also, F leads to G, T leads to U, V leads to W, and so forth. Or we could say V leads to W and X and Y and Z. Or we could say V leads to Z through the intermediary forms. But I'll just simplify here and say when we're doing move A, which is always followed by move B in our form, consider how move A might be setting up move B. Maybe directionally, maybe shifting the weight, maybe drawing the person in, maybe yielding so that we can attack, maybe weakening somebody through an attack so we can throw. I don't know. But consider maybe you don't have the answer, like the historically accurate scholarly answer, but consider how move A leads us to move B, right, in a martial sense. But also consider how move B benefits from move A, or perhaps move C benefits from move B and A, if we wanted to complicate it a little bit. But often we think of these things as fairly discrete pieces, these morsels. All right, we're going to do move 17. Here's what move 17 does. The guy starts a fight with you. It's like, maybe you've been in a fight and you've suffered this, suffered that, made him suffer this, finally had an opening, and now you do move 17. So enjoy that. And remember, your teacher's teacher led to you. Have you thanked your teacher's teacher? Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.